Dr. Candice Bovell, a registered clinical psychologist. If you are an adult living in Ontario and experiencing anxiety, stress, or depression, I'm here to help.
What is generalized anxiety disorder? Anxiety is a normal reaction to an important event, such as a school presentation, business meeting, or moving to a new city. However, excessive and continuous worry about many things which interfere with your daily life may be a sign of generalized anxiety disorder, or GAD. GAD can cause you to have trouble relaxing or sleeping, irritability, difficulty concentrating, or muscle tension. If untreated, GAD can greatly diminish productivity and decrease an individual's quality of life. Psychotherapy at Wellness View Psychological Services Ontario can help you to manage your anxiety symptoms and worries in a more effective way. Treatment includes relaxation training and behavioral activation, which involve regularly practicing breathing exercises, relaxation exercises, and engaging in activities that are relaxing, enjoyable, or useful. Mindfulness-based cognitive therapy that teaches you how to be in the present moment, on purpose, in a non-judgmental way. Problem-solving therapy that helps you solve complex problems in a strategic way. And cognitive behavior therapy, or CBT, that teaches you how to challenge and change problematic thought patterns and unhelpful behaviors that contribute to symptoms. A minimum of 5 to 10 treatment sessions is recommended.
If you would like to book an appointment, please visit www.wellnessview.ca and complete the confidential screener.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.